come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. I'm bringing you a 1 week update with Dino Busd. It's been paying out like I said it was. I made a slight mistake, and I'm here to show you guys what I did wrong so you don't make a similar mistake to what I just did, because it could cost you, okay? It could cost you. And it did cost me a little bit, but it's not too crazy, so I'm not really tripping out about it. You know what I mean? Just got to make sure we make the right move so that we could maximize our profits in these platforms. Okay, so let's head right into it. But before we do all that, you guys already know the drill. Okay, the drill. You know the drill. The drill is
I get paid to entertain, and all
boy, the drill is to head over to this YouTube page. Sorry about that. Like this video if you ain't already subscribed. Subscribe to the video, engage with that notification bell, marry the video when you're done with all that. We on that push to 3,000 to 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers. All right, so people, the name of the game is Dino Busd. Now this is version 2, although it doesn't say version 2. Right now it's 92,000 Dino Busd in the contract. Okay, I messed up my first week, people, and I don't want you guys to fall for the same thing or go through the same mistake. My mistake was I was not claiming every day. I literally just did a video a while ago and I messed up and I said, you know what, let me do another one. Okay, so I wasn't claiming every day. I just did my first claim. I did start this with 100 BUSD, which gave me around 52 Dino tokens. Right now, each Dino token is worth if you go to sell, you can see each Dino token is worth about 2 BUSD right now. All right. So I was projected to make 2.5 Dino tokens daily, which would be around 2.59, which would be around $5 daily off of my $100 investment, which, as you see right here, is 5% a day. Okay, 5% of 100 is $5. So that's pretty accurate right there. Deposit fee was $6 and withdrawal is $6. Now, the thing about this platform is once you claim every day, you only can withdraw 50% of what you claim. Okay, and you only can withdraw once a week or every week, every 7 days. See right here, my last withdrawal was today, which is the 15th of September, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 122. 7 days from now, on the 22nd, I'll be able to withdraw again. Now, the trick about this is you only can withdraw 50% of what's allowed. So 50% of what you claimed. So if I claimed my 2.5 every day, which would be, let's see, let's pull up this calculator, 2.59 times 7, that'll bring me to around 18.13. Okay, now I only could withdraw at the end of the week 50% of that. So divide that by 2, that'll give me 9.6. Okay, now Dino token is his own token, people. I did add the contract address to the wallet, to my wallet. If you guys go to the Telegram group, you can get the contract address from there, or I'll probably just put it in the description if you're interested in starting right here, and link down below if you want to get started in this. It seems promising. It's doing its thing so far. So as I said, after dang, where was it a while ago? 9. Let's see. Dang, where I just deleted it. I believe it was 9 Dino tokens, right? Which will be my weekly withdrawing. So I'll be able to make about $18 a week. Okay. Now the remaining $18 will actually be held over for the next withdrawal. Okay, if that makes sense. If we go right here to the white paper, and you do have to approve your buys and you approve your deposits in Dino Busd. I made that mistake last time as well. Once you claim, it comes here, then you withdraw 50% of that, then it goes to Dino Busd, then you could sell it right here. Okay, you could buy and sell from right here in the exchange. Okay, let's go over to the white paper really fast so I can show you guys something. It's a quick math table, pretty much based on 1,000 Dino tokens invested. All right, let's say you start with $1,000 or 1,000 Dino tokens. Okay, That'll give you 350 a day. All right. I'm sorry, that's not a day. It'll be 50 a day, but 370, 350 a week. Okay. So this is based on a week of withdrawing, week of collecting and withdrawing. All right. So let's say you invest 1,000 BUSD. I mean, sorry, 1,000 Dino tokens. Forgive me, people. Yeah, I mean, a little discombobulated. Had to do this video twice. All right, so 1,000 Dino tokens, you will be able to get 350 tokens weekly. Okay, you only withdraw 50% of that, so that'll give you 175. All right, that's in Dino tokens. Remember, right now, Dino tokens is for one is 2 BUSD. Okay, when you're selling it, Okay, so so you'll be able to withdraw 175. Now for your second week of doing the same thing, you'll be able to withdraw 263 because of the remaining 50% that was left over. See, so the third week you'll be able to get 306 in withdrawals, which will bring your total to 744. And the fourth week, which is a month, you'll be able to withdraw 328. So forth all the way down. So by a month time, you should be able to completely ROI and actually have $72 or 72 Dino tokens remaining on top of that. So I believe it's pretty cool. This is based on Dino tokens. ROI is fixed 5%. Okay. UPTO impact after recovering 50% due to stable TVL, which means total value locked. It is assumed that the TVL was stable at 100,000 through the 10-week cycle of this example. Sales quota is calculated on complete reinvestment. Tokens sold should be deducted to calculate exact quota. All right. All right. Now something important that I did want to mention. I mentioned in the last video. I'm just mentioning again. TVL contributors and future roadmaps. So this is what contributing to the TVL of the contract. Okay, developing Dino token utilities was one of the difficult tasks as compared to a miner. Okay, but it has been given a thorough look this time. As of now, the following contributors will be for Dino token. Moonarch will be accepting their payments in Dino tokens, okay? And if you guys know Moonarch, they're pretty much like the industry standard and like miners and stuff like that. This website right here where you could look through your ROI dApps and your miners. You can see the total value locked, the age, the daily percentages, the fees. It's just a pretty cool platform, all right? Okay, Quantum Apes, the NFT stakings on 5% with Dino tokens and buy and sell too. Okay, NFT staking on 5% with Dino token and buy and sell too. YouTubers are accepting Dino token as a mode of payment. Okay, I haven't accepted any of that. I'm not being paid for this video. I just think it's a cool project, and it seemed like they're trying to correct what went wrong on the first one, which it wasn't really something that went wrong. They actually gave the community opportunity to vote, and then once they voted, people just start withdrawing. So this one is just a step up. Official miners fork. Okay. There are multiple options considered in the future roadmap. 2, Dino will start YouTube project. Audits for several miners of this ecosystem, and mode of payments will be Dino token 2 for those. Okay. Dino will also develop an app which will solely be used for Dino token payments. It will require lots of hard work, but it's already been included in the roadmap. Dino token will also be listed on numerous exchanges, started with CoinMarketCap, which is large. Okay, all these plans are already well included in the roadmap, and the back-end work has already been started. So let's hope everything goes good with that and their future plans with the Dino Busd project. Now, my strategy for this project is to correct where I did wrong. I did withdraw 1.222 Dino tokens, which was my daily allowed, because I forgot to claim every day. Don't make that mistake, people. Claim every day at the end of the week or 7 days later. Withdraw your 50% of that. Go to sell on the exchange. And I believe, like I said, I sold 1.22. So I did receive about $2.45 or $2.45 BUSD, which is pegged to the US dollar, so it's about $2.45. If we look right here in my wallet, you can actually see that my Dino token. I didn't withdraw every single part of it, but I did withdraw the 1.22, and then I did get the 2.45. All right. So people, I would say hop into it. It's pretty early. You could see the updates on their Twitter as well as their Telegram group. Go to the site. Links to the Telegram group and the Twitter is right here on top of the page. All right, people. Don't make the same mistake I did. Claim every day. Claim every day. Get your money back, people. All right. This seems like a solid project. It's still pretty early, although I did ruin one whole week. It's still pretty early. The link down below if you want to support the channel and join the Dino BUSD project. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I just got to say this stuff. We all know how it is in this space. Let's do the best we could do. Let's make this money. And yeah, stay blessed, people. I'm out.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.